In the competitive landscape of modern business, success often hinges not only on external factors such as market trends and technological advancements, but also on internal factors, particularly the cognitive and emotional processes of individuals within the organization. Dr. Andrew Huberman, a renowned neuroscientist and professor at Stanford University, has dedicated his research to understanding how the brain functions and how its mechanisms can be harnessed to optimize performance, enhance well-being, and ultimately drive success in various domains, including business. Dr. Huberman's work delves deep into the intricate workings of the human brain, exploring topics ranging from perception and motivation to stress management and resilience. By uncovering the underlying neural mechanisms that govern these processes, he has provided valuable insights that can be applied to the corporate world to foster innovation, productivity, and overall organizational effectiveness. One of the key areas of Dr. Huberman's research that holds significant implications for businesses is the understanding of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt in response to experiences and environmental stimuli. This concept challenges the traditional notion that the brain is static and unchangeable, suggesting instead that it is highly malleable and capable of continuous growth and development throughout life. By leveraging this principle, businesses can cultivate a culture of learning and growth, empowering employees to acquire new skills, adapt to changing circumstances, and thrive in an ever-evolving marketplace. Moreover, Dr. Huberman's research on stress and resilience offers valuable strategies for managing pressure and adversity in the workplace. He has identified specific neural circuits involved in the stress response and developed techniques to regulate these circuits, promoting resilience and mental well-being. By implementing stress reduction strategies informed by neuroscience, businesses can create a healthier work environment, mitigate burnout, and enhance employee engagement and performance. Furthermore, Dr. Huberman's insights into the mechanisms of motivation and goal pursuit can inform strategies for employee engagement and performance management. By understanding the neural pathways that underlie motivation, businesses can design incentive systems and goal-setting frameworks that effectively motivate employees and drive results. Whether through financial incentives, recognition programs, or opportunities for skill development and career advancement, aligning organizational goals with individual motivations can foster a sense of purpose and commitment among employees, driving productivity and innovation. Additionally, Dr. Huberman's research on attention and focus sheds light on the importance of cognitive control in optimizing workplace performance. In an era characterized by constant distractions and information overload, the ability to sustain attention and filter out irrelevant stimuli is crucial for productivity and decision-making. By incorporating mindfulness practices and attention training techniques grounded in neuroscience, businesses can help employees sharpen their focus, improve concentration, and make better decisions, ultimately enhancing organizational efficiency and effectiveness. Another area of Dr. Huberman's research with profound implications for business is the science of sleep and its impact on cognitive function and performance. Sleep deprivation is a widespread issue in the modern workplace, with detrimental effects on productivity, creativity, and decision-making. Dr. Huberman's research has elucidated the role of sleep in memory consolidation, emotional regulation, and cognitive function, highlighting the importance of prioritizing sleep hygiene and ensuring adequate rest for employees. By promoting a culture that values and prioritizes sleep, businesses can enhance employee well-being, reduce absenteeism, and optimize performance. Furthermore, Dr. Huberman's work on the neuroscience of creativity offers valuable insights for fostering innovation and problem-solving within organizations. By understanding the neural processes involved in creative thinking, businesses can create environments that stimulate creativity and encourage the generation of novel ideas. Whether through collaborative brainstorming sessions, interdisciplinary collaboration, or the provision of creative outlets and resources, cultivating a culture of creativity can fuel innovation and give businesses a competitive edge in the marketplace. Moreover, Dr. Huberman's research on the neuroscience of leadership provides valuable insights for effective leadership development and organizational management. By understanding the neural mechanisms underlying effective leadership qualities, such as empathy, decision-making, and social influence, businesses can cultivate leadership skills among employees at all levels of the organization. Whether through targeted training programs, mentoring initiatives, or the cultivation of a supportive and inclusive leadership culture, developing strong leaders can drive employee engagement, foster a sense of purpose and direction, and ultimately contribute to the long-term success of the organization. Dr. Andrew Huberman's groundbreaking research in neuroscience offers valuable insights that can revolutionize the way businesses operate and thrive in today's competitive landscape. By leveraging the power of the mind and applying evidence-based strategies informed by neuroscience, businesses can optimize performance, enhance well-being, and drive success at both individual and organizational levels. From fostering a culture of learning and growth to promoting stress resilience, enhancing motivation, and fostering creativity and innovation, the principles derived from Dr. Huberman's research have the potential to transform the future of business and unlock the full potential of the human mind.